guys, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene, and today, my friends, I have something for you really easy, perfect for a weeknight, and it's really delicious. We are making a taco pasta. Delicious. Now, it's pretty easy, and anybody who eats this, because if you love pasta and you love tacos and you put them together, and you're gonna have yourself a really great hearty meal to enjoy. So now let's talk about the ingredients so we can get started. Okay guys, now let's begin. Right here I have 2 pounds of ground meat. I have 1 Sazon Seasoning mix. I have here 3 tablespoons of garlic. Now I love garlic and I tend to go heavy on it, so you can put according to what you like, but this is minced garlic. I have here 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning, but of course you can add as much or as little as you like. Now right here I have 3 tablespoons of chopped fresh cilantro, and right here I have adobo. I put 2 teaspoons of that, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Here I have chopped up some green bell pepper, small green bell pepper. It's about a half a cup. An onion, a small one, minced it up separately, and that is also about a cup. Now right here I have a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, and you can use whatever pasta you want, but my choice was the corkscrew ones, and this is also whichever pasta you would like to use. Alright guys, first things first, get a large pot, fill it with water, plenty of salt, and put that on the stove to heat through. We're going to wait until that bubbles up, then you place your pasta, and it should cook around 7 to 8 minutes tops, but you can definitely test it to see how it is. You want it to be al dente. Now let's get started with our meat. Alright guys, now let's begin. I am using my favorite cast iron skillet. Now you don't have to use a cast iron, you can use whatever pot you have. Just make sure it has high sides because we're going to do everything in there. Now we're going to place our 2 pounds of ground beef in here, and I just turned my stove on so it's not warmed up yet, and just give it a few minutes till it gets lightly brown. I'm going to show you how that looks before we start adding everything else. Alright guys, so my meat mixture here is almost done. I discard lots of its fat that had released. As you can see, it's barely anything in the pot, and that's what you want to do. Because I have used 80% ground chuck, you know, it's a lot of fat that renders out, so you make sure you do that. Or you can just simply buy leaner meat, and you won't have to worry about it as much. Here, doesn't matter what order you put in. Right now I'm putting in my fresh garlic, my cilantro. This is gonna be so flavorful. Alright, my green bell pepper, and my onions, all minced and chopped up. You can use whatever onions you like, and I'm gonna give this a nice toss. Oh man, it smells good already. As soon as the veggies hit the hot pot, and mind you, my stove is on a medium high. It doesn't need to be too high, just a medium high will do. Alright, so since my vegetables have been diced really small, it's going to take just a few minutes just to become translucent and really sweat out its natural flavors in here. I mean, it smells divine already. So, and put in the taco seasoning mix. That lets off a nice flavor, color, some spice. It's a mixture of salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, black pepper, but it doesn't have too much black pepper. A little bit of salt, cumin. I mean, the taco seasoning is mixed with a whole bunch of ingredients. I'm not sure if it's easily available to purchase in wherever you're from. Alright, so I just finished putting in my sazon and all the other spices, the adobo, black pepper, oregano, and I'm just mixing everything through. Now let's put in the sauce. And we are pretty much done. Alrighty, so after putting in all your ingredients, we're gonna wait for like 10 minutes, and then this is done. You can taste to see if you need to add anything extra, but that's about it. So now I'm just gonna put my pasta and everything together, and you're gonna see how that is. My pasta, and it's cooked to al dente. Right. Let me just put in all of it. Okay. Now I'm just gonna stir it and mix everything through. Alright, so just to give it some more sauciness, I reserved some of the cooking water from the pasta. I'm just gonna put maybe a few tablespoons at a time. When I feel that my mixture here is a little dry and is not being saucy enough, you can put in just a little bit of starchy cooking water from your pasta. So when you drain the water from your pasta, don't drain everything. Try to reserve a cup. You never know when you're gonna need it. Alright, so it looks fabulous, and it's mixed through well, and it smells insanely I'm gonna put good. Some cheese. Now I just bought Mexican mixed cheese, and I'm just putting some on top. This packet brings what, 2 cups? I don't know, maybe I'll put about a cup. See how it is, see if I need more. Look at that, guys. The cheese had melted and it looks delicious. You can eat this just like that, how it is, or you can put a little something extra. So I am going to put some sour cream on mine, just like how you would do if you had tacos. I like a nice dollop of it. Then I would sprinkle some chopped up tomatoes. Really simple, nothing too far-fetched. And fresh chopped cilantro. And that's it. That's all it is to it. Now let's do a taste test. Alright guys, now let's do a taste test. I cannot wait. I am so hungry, and it smells so freaking good in this house. You would not believe. I'm getting a little bit of the sour cream and the tomatoes and the cilantro. Listen, you can put whatever you want in it. This, my friends, is a dynamite, and I can't wait to have. Wow. This is on the money, honey. So much flavors. So hearty. So different, you know. It's like eating tacos but without the shells. So good. I'm going in for another. Alright guys, we've seen how easy this was. Super flavorful. So good. If you want, you can add jalapeno in there, and as a garnish on top you can put avocados if you want, but I just made it simple because sometimes you can't get good avocados or what have you. You can even not have none of this and just eat the pasta with the cheese and the meat and everything like that, and it will still be so phenomenal. But I think this just takes it just another step up, you know what I'm saying? So thank you so much for joining me today in my kitchen. I really do hope you give this a try. It's really simple and really easy to put together. Definitely a wonderful, something different for a weeknight meal, especially when you're tired and you just want to cook up something quick. This took no time at all. You can probably have this done less than 20 minutes and you'll have yourself a delicious, hearty, good family meal for whenever. So thank you so much. Don't forget to click that bell to be notified. Follow me on my social media sites and subscribe and share. Thank you so much. And if you want to see any other kind of recipes, you know what to do. Leave me a comment below. And everything that I've done here, or the ingredients, will be on the description box below. So thank you once again, and I will see you next time. Have a blessed evening. Take care. Bye-bye.